right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office for Natural Transplants. Today, we're psyched. We got Sergio. Welcome, man. How you doing?
Pretty good. Pretty nervous.
Pretty nervous. That's normal. Yeah, it's normal. We did some deep breathing earlier, slowed it down a little bit, and we got some Valium later, so we'll take good care of it.
There you go.
Thank you for doing this. Hopefully, this inspires other people and helps other people out. But share with us your story. What brings you to us, and how you found us also.
It's funny because ever since I don't know, I hit my late 20s, I always thought, oh, what if?
Yeah.
And then every family reunion, I'd see my uncles, and I'd be like, no, I should. And
you can see what you're going to look like in the future.
Yeah, it's kind
of
of yeah. And so I just figured, I got one of those genes that aren't as bad as other relatives.
Mm-hmm.
So I figured if I can do something about it,
yeah, why not?
Come to this guy.
Awesome, man. Appreciate it. Love it. Well, I'm going to have Ron zoom in here. So at first, it doesn't look at, obviously some recession of the hairline corners, but when you pull it back, it actually goes back a little bit further than at first it looks like. So when we talked about how extensive we're going to be, we're going to go probably just do the entire frontal third, meaning go into this sort of the peninsula as well too, because more than likely this is going to go at some point, and it's going to look a little odd having hair around it. So we're going to just transplant the entire area uniformly. And then I'm going to spin you around a little bit and have you look up to the ceiling for me. And then we got a little bit of a area right here we're going to hit as well too in the crown. So awesome, man. Thank you so much. We're going to draw it all out and then come back and check in with you a little later.
Sounds good.
Awesome. Cool. All right. We're back with Sergio, and we have shaved the head. You do not have to do this, but he looked a little ridiculous without doing it. So he made the right call. Nice natural hairline. Super happy with it. All three of us are really happy with it. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and just transplant the whole area. This will be priority number 1, and then the crown will be priority number 2. So hopefully we can get both. Can't guarantee it, but that'll be the goal. You good? We got a couple of Valium on board. You ready to rock and roll?
I'm good.
All right, let's do it, man. We'll see you a little bit.
All right.
Thinking that it was an inch, or just
We
putting glass?
are 2/3 of the way through. More than that, actually. We probably got about 20 minutes left to go in the surgery. You doing all right?
Yep.
Okay. They entertaining you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see at the end. All right, we are done. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You give us a honest representation how the day went.
Better than I thought.
Good.
But
that's what everybody says.
Just as sore as I expected it to be.
Okay.
So,
all right. Where are you having your pain?
I would say mostly the back of the neck area.
Yeah. Okay.
And yeah, that's about it.
All right. And you did fantastic. You're the only patient I've ever had that actually read. You were sitting there reading. I've never seen that before.
I brought a book. That's right.
You actually read.
I kept it old school.
Yeah. So give a little view of what we did today. So we covered the front third area, really packed it in tight. I'm really in love with the hairline. I think it looks really great on you. And then the crown as well too, we filled in. So love it, man. Looks fantastic.
Awesome.
Any words of advice you would give to someone out there that's on the fence thinking about it or kind of doing their research? What would you give them as advice?
Yeah, I would say definitely go with this team. Yeah. I'm so glad I did.
Thank you.
I shopped around. I looked at other specialty clinics, and I'm glad I went with you guys.
Appreciate
and
it.
even just the first 30 seconds of meeting your team, I knew I made the right choice.
I didn't even pay you to say that, but I appreciate that.
I did not. Yeah.
Thank you for allowing us to do this. Thanks for doing the video. Hopefully we can follow along. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome.
Thank you.
And hopefully we'll see you in a year.
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right. Cool.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.